The Schaumburg Police Department already had a pretty significant social work component, and we wanted to enhance that as we saw more mental health related calls for service. Unlike some other models where it is a solely social work function or solely a CIT law enforcement function, we created this hybrid model.
A key component to our crisis response and intervention program is this co-responder concept where social workers are available to go out on calls with patrol officers to try to help de-escalate a situation and start on resolutions immediately. They'll do follow-up based on reports that come in from the police officers. Our social workers are very proactive with following up with domestic violence cases.
I see my role with a social worker as twofold. Number one, to provide safety and security. Number two is to provide secondary support to the resources and services that they're offering.
We have a space in our police department that was a little bit underutilized, and we converted it into what we refer to as the family room.
People in the community were often feeling isolated or needed a time to have a clinician or somebody help them. It's not necessarily group therapy. We might play a game. We might just talk. If there are resources that you need connection with, if you need assistance with maybe making phone calls, we're happy to do that.
The grant that we applied for was to enable us to have a mobile crisis unit for mental health and substance use issues in our community, and also a new mobile community-based clinician.
The data has suggested and shown that we've had a significant decrease in repeat calls for service, a decrease in the amount of use of force that has been involved in mental health related calls. Most importantly, we're seeing people whose quality of life has been improved. They're getting the help that they need.
We have that problem solving, helping people get to the core of their issues kind of mentality. And I think the more that people get to see that and have that interaction, that positive interaction, it really is reaping some good benefits.